3 Steps to 6 Figures Monthly Income and Becoming Financially Free. Who this is for? This is for anyone who is going through the phase of financial struggles and who wants to add extra income to their life. Employee, student, housewife, trader, artisan, entrepreneur, etc. This is for you if you want to be free from an annoying boss. This is for you if you are working 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. every day on a job yet not being paid enough to handle your money problems. This is for you if you can't give your family or your loved ones the best life they deserve. This is for you if you can't buy something you love simply because you can't afford it. This is for you if you can't go on a vacation to your dream city because you can't afford it or because you need to be active in your business in order to make money. This is for you if you are not making up to 7 figures yearly. This is for you if you always depend on your parents for all your needs as a student. This is also for you if you always need a guy to take care of you as a girl. In the next 10 minutes, I will be showing you how to make leveraged income up to 6-figure monthly, even if that seems far-fetched or impossible right now. How to budget your income to be able to scale faster in your finance and never run out of money. How to earn passive income up to 30% monthly on your investments, even if you don't know what to invest on or don't have the capital. To be clear, there's nothing wrong with you and no one is after your finance. You just don't have enough financial intelligence. Once you increase your financial IQ, you will scale faster in your finances. I will be working you through a financial intelligence system for 6 figures income monthly and gaining financial freedom. We have put together all the solutions that will help you solve the biggest problem you can encounter while building your financial life. This is not for you if you are not open-minded and desperate for a change in your financial life, if you don't have solid confidence in yourself and or earning online. If you care more about making money than helping people. If you are looking for a magic bullet solution and aren't willing to do the work, if you are not in a position of investing in yourself right now through learning. Important disclaimer. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time to build a strong financial life. So you need to put in some works and be patient with the process. Though, we have made the work very easy for you to start making 6-figure income monthly. What is House of Money? House of Money is a home for people from every walks of life, professionals, students, housewives, artisans etc. coming together to form alliance with each other to become a highly collaborative and supportive team. Ensuring everyone has fair opportunity to accomplishing their dreams. The purpose of the home is to build a system that will solve the problem of financial ignorance and create an avenue for its members to enjoy financial freedom. House of Money has done 90% of the work for you by automating the 3 steps to 6 figures and becoming financially free, but you have to consciously do the remaining 10% of the work by yourself in order to get the desired outcome. I am going to walk you through all 3 of them right now. Step 1. Start with building a network. Have you heard of the saying, your network equals your net worth? When you build a network of people whom you have helped by educating them and helping them understand how to attain financial freedom, you will earn huge leveraged income. Leveraged income is an income earned from leveraging on other people's efforts. This is the easiest and most reliable way of earning. Here your goal is helping a few persons understand how to become financially free and making them do same to others. As they help others, you make some income. Despite leveraged income being the easiest, cheapest and yet most reliable way of earning, a lot of people still don't earn this income simply because they don't know how to build their network. That is why House of Money has created a complete money-making blueprint that will show you step-by-step how to build your network in less than 3 days with the warm and cold prospects already in your contact list.
Hi, they call me Mr. Modesty, and I'm a master's student in the United Kingdom. I am a proud member of the House of Money, and what I love so much about it is the money-making blueprints in the platform, as well as the courses that you can find there. Yeah, I had been scammed of money by so many traveling agencies, so I was seriously in search of a genuine traveling opportunity and also money to pay part of my service charge. The knowledge I gained from the money-making blueprint helped me generate about 2.7 million naira in less than 6 months, which covered over 60% of my traveling costs. So to anyone out there who is on the fence about joining, I would encourage you, being that you have basically nothing to lose as a member, but everything to lose if you're not a member yet. So do join the House of Money today and join the massive testimonies it is providing to people all over the corners of Nigeria and the world at large.
Most times, a lot of people don't think they have people in their audience right now who will give them money, so they think the answer is to get new audience. Whereas the people in your audience right now can give you all the money you need, they are only waiting for you to make the right offer. Making an offer is not just about selling something to them, it's about offering them something that can solve their most pressing problem. Example: 80% of the people you have in your contact list, your Facebook, your Instagram, your TikTok, etc. are struggling financially. They will pay you if you offer a genuine solution to their problem and not selling to them. All you need is to ask for something in return if you give them the information they need. The most interesting part is that you always get paid, even higher, whenever they help someone else down to the 5th generations. This is very easy to do, even easier than asking a lady out. It doesn't matter if you have done something like this before and failed, the reason you failed was because you don't know how to. Not to worry, everything you will do or say are already captured in the blueprint. Step 2. Always pay yourself first. The key to financial freedom is budgeting your money. Budgeting is all about sharing your money into different parts based on percentage in order to achieve your financial goals. For example, household budget, home mortgage, car payment, etc. Most times, the problem is not that you don't make much money, rather it's on what you spend your money on. Let's do a quick exercise. Kindly generate your bank statement of the last 12 months and it will shock you how much passed through your account and on what you spent all the money on. You will agree with me that almost 95% of the money were given to people or organizations. When you paid for groceries, you gave the grocery store money. When you paid your rent, you gave your landlord money. When you paid your phone bill, you gave network providers money, etc. You paid everyone and forgot to pay yourself. What you don't know is that the money you paid yourself comes back to you with interest while the ones you paid others don't. How can you pay yourself first? Through saving at least 10% for emergencies. Through investing at least 10% in a cash flow business. Through saving for project, for example, business capital, charity, tithing or donation, at least 10%. Paying yourself first anytime you receive income requires a lot of discipline to keep to it. Therefore, House of Money has created a system that automates the process and makes it easy for you to always pay yourself first. Once you receive any income, the system will automatically save 10% of the income to the savings wallet, 10% of the income to the investment wallet, 10% of the income to the project wallet, and then the remaining to your funding wallet, which you can spend anyhow you wish. You can as well change the percentages to whatever that suits your financial goal. With this, you don't have to worry about spending. Step 3. Let your money make you more money. Another great way of gaining financial freedom is by earning passive income. Passive income is a kind of income you make by investing your money in an asset like stock, real estate, cryptocurrency, etc. In this kind of income, you are not actively involved, rather your money does the work for you. Inasmuch as passive income is a great way of gaining financial freedom, it also has some setbacks, like it requires huge capital to invest. You can lose all your money if something goes wrong. Getting a profitable asset to invest on is a huge issue. However, House of Money has the complete solutions to these problems. House of Money has created a cryptocurrency trading bot that will trade the money in your savings wallet and give you up to 30% interest monthly, that is, 1% interest daily, with 92% success rate. Also, you can invest on real estate, agriculture, stocks, etc., using the money in your investment wallet, with as little as $10 and earn huge interest in a very short while. With these, you don't need to worry about the setbacks involved in earning passive income. House of Money offers a very transparent system. You can track the assets or trades your money is invested on, anytime, any day. You may be working on a job, only you, creating your budget, only you, looking for assets to invest in, only you, looking for capital, only you. But it is important for you to know that what got you where you are currently is not going to get you where you want to be. To grow, you actually need to do less by yourself. Now, you have a choice. You can take everything I have shared with you, forget all about them, and stay stuck where you are, chasing the next shiny object, buying the next course, watching another 100 videos, going to another seminar, reading piles of books, attending the next webinar, going for deliverance and prayers, begging for money always, blaming the government, bugging your parents for money, wasting your life, hoping that someday it will be better. Or, your life will never be the same. What if you could have a system that brings in huge amount of income, without it being you that is so involved in the day-to-day work? What if you could have a system that will make sure you never run out of money while living an ideal life of freedom? Have you ever stopped and wondered what your life would actually look like if you have somebody in your corner who could genuinely help you navigate your financial life, and help you achieve your financial goals faster? Somebody who would answer you anytime you call, who wouldn't leave you even when you are sleeping, to ensure you are always earning an income regardless. What's the next step? My invitation to you is to schedule a financial intelligence test session by clicking on the sign up button below. It might just be the breakthrough you have been praying for in a long while. It is 100% free, private, one-on-one, and designed to help you see what is getting in the way of your financial growth and what is possible with the right help. Who is this for? This is for you if you are tired of the overwhelm. This is for you if you want to make it happen faster. This is for you if you are tired of doing it the hard way. This is for you if you are ready to accept new growth. This is for you if you are done trying to figure it out yourself. If that is you, sign up now to get started. It's the quickest way I know to change everything, without having to change everything.
Sign up for free now.